Hi there, students. Stick that in your pipe and smoke it. Or put that in your pipe and smoke it. This is a rather rude way of telling people that they've just got to accept what you've just said, whether they like it or not. Yeah? This is what they're going to have to put up with. It's maybe a little bit old-fashioned, or maybe humorous as well. So he said that he's the boss round here. He's the person who pays the wages. So I can't have my break now, and I could stick it in my pipe and smoke it. Yeah, I had no choice but to accept it. Okay, so I'm not going to continue with this conversation. I'm leaving, so put that in your pipe and smoke it. Okay, so see how you like that. That's the final decision. That's what you're going to have to live with. This is certainly very colloquial. My dad said he makes the rules in this house. He makes the rules round here. So he says what I can do, and I can't put my feet on the sofa, and I can put it in my pipe and smoke it, but I'm still not going to be allowed to do it. Yeah? To quote Somerset Maugham, I'm engaged to her, so put that in your pipe and smoke it. Yeah, you're not going to persuade her that you're a much nicer guy. Yeah, I'm not going to lend you any more money. Yeah, you still haven't paid me back the last one, so no. And you can put it in your pipe and smoke it. I really don't care. Okay, no matter what you say, it's you that made that mistake. Yeah, and we all know it. So put that in your pipe and smoke it. Stick that in your pipe and smoke it. Yeah, you've got to accept that this is the truth. You might not like it, but this is the reality. Yeah, you say he's a really bad actor, but he just won an Oscar, so put that in your pipe and smoke it. Yeah, you've got to accept that fact if you can. You may dislike it or disagree with it, but they have to accept that it's a fact, or that it's true. Okay, so this is the idea of to put something in your pipe and smoke it. Yeah, it's derogatory. It's a bit insulting as well. Okay, so you use this after stating something to add emphasis and to emphasize that it's really is the truth. My team is better than your team, so stick that in your pipe and smoke it. And we'll see at the match this afternoon. We'll see who's the best. Yeah, well, you can just stick it in your pipe and smoke it. Formality, I think I would give this a 3.5 in formality. Use it in an informal conversation, but I wouldn't use it anywhere else. And as to the origin, I have no idea. Yeah, I would be interested for any contributions as to the origin. Okay, so stick that in your pipe and smoke it. Take that. That's the truth. Yeah, there's nothing you can do about it. You're just going to have to accept it, even if you don't like it. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. If you didn't, you can put it in your pipe and smoke it. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Put or stick something in your pipe and smoke it.